This is a story about a girl named Lucky. Early morning, she wakes up, knock, knock, knock on the door. It's time for makeup, perfect smile. It's you they're all waiting for. They go, isn't she lovely, this Hollywood girl? And they say she's so lucky, she's a star, but she cries in the lonely heart, thinking if there's nothing missing in my life, then why do these tears come at night? Lost in an image, in a dream, but there's no one that'll wake her up. And the world is spinning and she keeps on winning. But tell me, what happens when it stops? They Amandina, I love you. Kevin, Joe, I love you. Ashley, I love you. Lisa, I love you. 사무엘, 미셸, 사랑해요. And Alex, I love you.
Ain't no headlights on the road tonight. Everybody here is sleeping tight. Ain't nobody gonna find us here. Will disappear. There's a dancer in the arms of love, and he's dancing on the sky above. And the truth is that we'll never know where love will flow. Aim high, shoot low. Gotta aim high, shoot low, baby. Ain't no headlights on the road tonight. Ain't nobody here to make it right. 'Cause we couldn't seem to find a way for love to stay. If you had another night to give,
Goodbye, China. I love you. You're the best. China #1. Denman.
I love you, China. Goodbye.
EGYPT. I had lots of fun with you, and I hope you had fun too. Egypt.
이집트 사랑합니다. 와 최고.
Australia, you guys are the best. You guys are awesome. I had so much fun with you. I'm sad to say goodbye, but I love you all. Bye.
Hi Australia. Okay, thank you for the week. Bye. I love you.
UK, I love you. And I'm gonna miss you. Have a good time getting back home. Bye bye.
Hello UK. I'm really glad to meet you guys. UK, okay.
Hey, Canada, I love you very much. And higher.
Let's go. Canada, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Hello USA. A really good time with you. Bye. I'll miss you. I love you. Bye.
USA, I love you. Bye.